Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and detailed product insights. In today's video, we're checking out what could very well be the best everyday sneakers for women, the New Balance 515 V3. If you're someone who's constantly on the go, you know how important it is to have a pair of shoes that can keep up with your lifestyle. Whether you're commuting, running errands, walking the dog, or just need something stylish and supportive for casual wear, the 515 V3 by New Balance is designed to be that versatile, go-anywhere sneaker. Let's start with the design and construction. At first glance, the sneaker features a sleek, retro-inspired upper that throws it back to classic 80s New Balance aesthetics. But don't be fooled by the vintage vibe. It's packed with modern comfort features. The outer material is constructed from breathable mesh, ensuring that your feet stay cool even on long days. Combine that with a sturdy rubber outsole and what you get is a sneaker that's not just lightweight, but also built to handle daily wear and tear. Slide your foot in and you'll immediately notice the NB Comfort insert. This feature adds a plush underfoot cushioning layer that feels soft without being too squishy. That insert sits atop a lightweight EVA foam midsole and heel, engineered to absorb impact and provide a balanced, responsive feel with every step. Whether you're walking on pavement or standing for hours, the midsole does a fantastic job at reducing fatigue. Closure-wise, the lace-up design ensures a secure and personalized fit. You won't have to worry about your foot sliding around, and the structure of the sneaker supports your arch and heel in a way that promotes proper foot alignment. And if you've had issues in the past with sneakers that lose their shape or structure over time, this model holds up well due to its thoughtful construction. Now let's talk colorways. The pair we're highlighting today is in the reflection, white, aluminum gray combo, a neutral and clean look that pairs well with almost any outfit: jeans, leggings, joggers, even summer dresses. It's subtle enough for everyday wear but still modern enough to add a little style edge. Of course, other color variants are also available depending on your personal style. Size-wise, New Balance sneakers tend to run true to size, and the 515 V3 is no exception. You can select your usual fit confidently. The shoe is also imported, which usually means a higher quality standard in materials and craftsmanship. Another thing worth noting is portability. At only about 1.34 pounds and a compact package dimension of roughly 13 by 8 by 4.5 inches, it's easy to toss into your gym bag or carry on when traveling. To sum it all up, the New Balance Women's 515 V3 sneaker is a strong contender for the title of Best Everyday Sneaker. With its winning combination of comfort, retro-modern styling, breathable construction, and reliable fit, it ticks all the boxes for women looking for a dependable go-to sneaker. If you're ready to upgrade your footwear game or you're just hunting for a reliable pair of shoes to handle daily wear, this might just be the pair you've been searching for. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've tried the 515 V3 or have any other sneaker recommendations. See you in the next one.